President of Lahore Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mia Tariq Misbah, on Monday offered all-out help for fashion and textile sectors, saying that this sector can earn huge foreign exchange for the country. He was speaking at a meeting with the renowned fashion designers of Pakistan at the Lahore Chamber of Commerce and Industry. LCCI Standing Committee on Fashion and Textile convener Nabil Iftikhar Hassan Shahriyar of HSY, Sam Dada, Akil Iftikhar of Nabil and Akil, Ahmed Ilahi, Harun Arora, and former LCCI Vice President Faisal Iqbal Sheikh were also present on the occasion. LCCI President Mia Tariq Misbah said it would not be wrong to say that textile sector of Pakistan is a pillar of economy as it contributes 60% to the national exports with a great volume of $12.8 billion. He said that luckily textile sector is booming as international buyers have diverted to Pakistan from other regional countries due to corona. He said that recently Prime Minister of Pakistan has also underlined the rapid growth of textile industry and shortage of human resources is being witnessed as well. He said that Pakistan can earn huge foreign exchange through exports of fashion industry if it succeeds to catch the attention of Western buyers. They are buying handmade embroidery and products for fashion industry from other regional countries despite the fact that Pakistan has far better expertise. He said that all those people are not just workers but artists who are doing embroidery, stitching and other related works. Mia Misbah said that the government and the private sector should work together to change the perception of Pakistan through finest quality work and art that is fit for international fashion industry. The LCCI chief said that fashion industry of Pakistan can get good share from the international fashion market worth billions of dollars. He said that from 120 million population of Pakistan, women comprise of more than 50% of it. Though introducing new projects, a large number of population can be benefited and contributed in national economy. Mia Tariq Misbah said that Pakistan's fashion, designing and clothing industry has become an important dimension for national economy because of its export potential. Convener LCCI Standing Committee on Fashion and Textile Nabil Iftikhar said that we have to promote our fashion industry to secure an important place in the international market. He said that collaboration between Pakistani and international fashion designers can be a milestone and can help earn huge foreign exchange for the country. He said that Pakistan's handmade embroidery can be merged with the designs of other countries. Jahangir Hayat, Bold News, Lahore.